Hello, I'm Jack. I'm from Shandong Yichen Group. Today I'm going to introduce 1.2-ton excavator. The engine is Coupe 192 Euro 5 diesel. It is 12 horsepower. The machine width is 94 centimeter. The standard bucket width is 35 centimeter, but you can choose from 20 centimeter to 80 centimeter width bucket. It is very easy to operate. Let me show you how it works. The machine is widely used for farming, orchard, and also construction work. The machine can be equipped with any accessories such as auger, ripper, wood grabber, rake, different sizes of buckets, and brake hammer. Each group has 15 years of experience in producing standard quality excavator. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact us.